The content that I want to show you guys today is the content that I want to make more oftenly. So we're gonna have something called cash days. Okay, so it's a bunch of very loud. It's a bunch of me and my buddies. We're gonna get to our local racetrack. We're all gonna throw in a couple of bucks, and the winner takes everything. Do I stand a chance? I'm not sure. We're gonna have to have a go and check. My car is definitely not the strongest there, but my all-wheel drive system might help me a lot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the racing and everything of this entire day into this one video. So I'm gonna cramp it a little bit at this moment because now I gotta get my car right. I already made a tune for it. I already put some extra little bit of boost, 0.1 bar, and then I took my wastegate duty cycle from 70% max to 80% max. Added some timing. Now I'm gonna go change the water meth. So you'll see I've got a green water meth in. That is a 50-50 blend with water. I'm gonna put in 100% water meth in. We're gonna go and log it, review the log, come back, tune it again if we have to, feel the performance, and see are we gonna do more than that or are we gonna keep it like that for race day. Okay, cash days. Let's get this video started.
One foot sign.